Hello my friends, I'm going to be doing a flip cup today, but I want to show you that I took your advice and I did purchase a floating frame for this sea turtle painting, and I think it looks terrific in there, so I'm happy with that. I haven't attached it yet because for now it's available on my website without the frame, and you could purchase one of your own. So, yeah, flip cup, but I have one oil painting to show you. I have a beautiful rocky coast near where I live here in the central coast of California. And this is an area called Gaviota, which is about 20 miles south of us here. And it just makes for a very dramatic scene. I really never thought I would be interested in landscapes, but I am becoming more fascinated with them. So for the time being, this is what I'm really passionate about, oil painting and landscapes. So, but now and then I'm going to do a pour. My fascination with acrylic pouring has been waning for quite some time, so I'm not posting nearly as much as I used to, and I'm good with that. However, my viewership has gone way down because I'm not producing as much, and that's okay too. I appreciate those of you who do watch, and like I've mentioned many times, I have over 600 videos, close to 7 now, that can be watched, whether I'm making new stuff or not. Anyway, let's see. The flip cup today, I'm using fall colors. I've got Red Ochre by Master's Touch, and metallic bronze, Artist Loft, but it wasn't dark enough, so I added a little bit of metallic black to it. Red, pearl golden hour, Arteza, and Artist Loft orange. And I've added 1 drop of silicone to all of them and 2 to the red and the orange, just because I want to get lots of cells, similar look to that sea turtle one. So I'm going to pour about half of each cup in and then repeat. Oh my goodness, we're having a launch. You must be able to hear that. It's going to get louder and louder. I'm going to let it run so you can hear how the house rattles, everything shakes, and it's going to get pretty loud. And if we have a sonic boom afterwards, you'll be shocked. I don't know. I tried to look it up when we have a launch to see if we're going to have one, because it happens about 6 minutes later, and it can really surprise you even if you know it's coming. But if you don't know it's coming, it's really scary. So I'll let you experience this. In all of the videos I've done, I've never had a launch going on when I've been making one, so this is pretty exciting. I live near Vandenberg Air Force Base, for those of you who may not know. Okay, well that looks nice and fall-like. It's going to look very, very different when I get the cells going and stretch it out. Where's my torch? I hope it's got juice in it. Let's see. Yes. Lots of cells. I'll put the recipe down below. It's very simple, but it's a no-fail recipe to get great looking cells. All right, now we'll just, I'm gonna lose my gold there probably, but that's okay. It looks a little odd. I like this part. I wonder if I can pour any more out to kind of reserve that. Still rumbling. You can kind of hear that, but the loudest part is gone unless we get the sonic boom. I clean those sticks off later. I wipe them off and then let them dry and use them again. Oh, good. I like that. I was a little skimpy on the paint because I'm having to really stretch. I should have been more generous with the amount of paint I used. I like this part a lot. I wish I had more of that in the center. But I don't, so what can I do? I can try to bring more of it in. Stretch it onto the canvas. I'm going to make that orange meet the edge here. But that means I have to really stretch my cells. I don't know. I think it could serve as an interesting background for something. Yeah. Let me bring you in for a closer look. It is very autumn looking. I like that corner. And when that dries, that gold will be very pretty. Yeah. I think I could paint something cool on there. I don't know what. You can feel free to give me suggestions if you can think of anything. Well, I guess we're not going to get a sonic boom. That's too bad because you would be just shocked and amazed at the sound of it, but I think it would have happened by now. So that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.